Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite women's shoes. This is our pick for the best women's hiking boot. It's the Columbia Newton Ridge. You guys know that Columbia is one of the best brands in all of sportswear, so naturally you're gonna want to trust them for your hiking boots. This style comes in so many different colors, some of them almost a little unexpected, like a fun pop of, lavender laces or kind of like a dusty blue. They're all really great, great for any season, and they look nice. But more important than their looks, their function is amazing. Great durability. They're made of leather on the outside, so you don't have to worry about your feet getting wet, but they still have a suede bootie. It's gonna be really comfortable on your feet. The tongue is a mesh material, so you're still gonna have that breathability. You're not gonna have to worry if it's like a hot day or your feet get hot and kind of sweaty. That's gonna be able to breathe out, but you're not going to have to worry about water getting into your feet. It's got a raised sole that's going to be great for any sort of rough terrain that you're on. It's going to give you a lot of traction, a lot of protection. I love that this boot too has kind of a higher top to it. It has lace, you're able to lace them up. So if you're just wearing these around town, maybe on a rainy day, kind of you can choose to have a more relaxed, maybe not tie them or have them a little bit looser. If you are actually hiking a mountain, you can really lace those up tightly, keep your ankles protected, gives you a lot of security and stability, especially in that ankle joint. Super important. But like I said, of course, if you're just wearing them for fashion around town or, on a rainy day or in the mud, you can opt for a more relaxed fit too. I love that it gives you those options. They're really cute boots, they're great, and they work really well. You guys are gonna be super happy with them. Of course, you can always trust Columbia, and you have Amazon too, so you have that A to Z 30-day guarantee. You guys go ahead and put these in your cart. You'll be super glad that you